Hi friends, welcome to Cooking Craft, and this is Sadhana here. And before we go into the recipe, thank you for being with me in this journey. Watch the video till the end and let me know how this recipe is. Let's go into and see what it is. Today's recipe is the same phali. This is also called a kind of beans. It comes into the beans variety. Generally, we can cook the whole thing. But today I'm going to show you a different dish from peeling it like this. Okay, let me show you see the seeds what we have inside. You can see the seeds. I'm going to take out these seeds separately. Okay, this is little tender. I'm going to take out the seeds and I'm going to show you how to make this with some potatoes. And even this skin can be cooked with potatoes and onions. This is about 275 grams I've taken. This beans is been soaking now. So what we'll do is we have to peel the skin. So I'll show you how to peel it. Yes, you need a little bit patience for this, but then it's very yummy. This is how you have to peel. Then this is the skin. The tender ones you can directly use it, not much of a problem. There are people who use this with the skin, but then I personally don't like it because it's very chewy. So this is how we peel. See this? Even if it breaks, it's okay. Any which way when we are cooking, it will break. This is how it looks when it's peeled. And this is the skin. Okay, and when it's not peeled, this is how it looks. This is the difference. I hope you can see. This is the difference. And this is just a purple shape. So what you can do is you can also, when there is a season, you can just take it, soak the whole beans. See, it's white inside. So don't throw off if it's black. Just the skin, otherwise it will be this. Okay, now you can wash it nicely and put it in a Ziploc or any airtight container, and you can leave it in the freezer also, and whenever you need, you can always use it. So now let's go and see the recipe. We are ready for the recipe now. This is how the beans look after it's all peeled. Okay, this is, I took about 250 grams of the whole beans, and I've got about 60 grams of these seeds. Okay, now what we require for this recipe is, I've taken about 3 boiled potatoes. You can also use raw potatoes, but boiled potatoes preferred. Okay, and I've taken about 3 small size tomatoes chopped, and 2 small size onions chopped little longish like this, not very fine. I've taken half a spoon of haldi, half a spoon of garam masala, and 1.5 tablespoon of lal mirch powder. I've taken chili powder, salt for taste, and I've taken a little oil, and 1 spoon ginger and 1 spoon garlic paste I've taken, 1 bay leaf, coriander I have taken for garnishing, and I have taken a little bit, half a spoon of mustard and half a spoon of jeera I have taken. Now what I'm going to do, we have to chop the potatoes. Before that, we'll put the oil for heating in the pan. The oil is hot. I'm just going to use 1 bay leaf here, mustard and jeera. Now I'm going to add some onions. We'll saute the onion little bit. And also for the measurements of the recipe, I have given in the end of the video. So watch the video till the end. The onion is slightly ready and I'm going to add some tomatoes. For the tomatoes and the onions to be done faster, I'm going to add some salt at this point. We'll close the whole thing and leave it for a minute on low medium flame. I've been cooking this for 2 minutes. In between I've been mixing it well. It's become very soft now. So what we will do is we are going to add these potatoes, these boiled potatoes. I have made into small cubes. So we'll add these potatoes. Give it a nice mix. Now we are going to add these beans. So now we'll add these beans here. I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, also a little bit of turmeric, haldi, and chili powder. Chili powder you can add as per your taste. You can check the salt in the end and you can always add if it is less. We have added a little bit in the beginning. So what we will do is, I'm going to give it a nice mix. Let's come and see this. Let it cook on a low flame because we have not added any water to it. I've been cooking this for about 10 minutes now on a very low flame. Because the beans has to get cooked, the potatoes are already boiled. But if you don't have time, so much time to cook, you can always steam the beans for about 5 minutes and add it with the potatoes. That is one option. Don't boil it because all the nutrition from the beans will go. So what we will do is you can just steam it. If you have a micro or any vessel, not double boil you can do. So that will be done very fast. Now I've added some coriander to it. The dish is ready now. We are plating it. This is aloo and beans recipe. You can have this recipe with rotis, curry rice, and you can also have it with sambar rice. It goes very well with the North Indian dishes and South Indian dish also. Please try this recipe. Let me know in the comments how you liked this recipe. And thank you so much for watching this.